When I was little, this hill seemed like such a bitch. And it still kind of is, but it seemed like it took forever to get to the top. And I think I'm almost there. And I'm out of shape, out of breath. Ugh. But I'm glad I came here, because it's really cool. And I haven't stepped on poop yet. That's pretty cool. Yeah, this could potentially be scary. Ugh, okay. How cool, huh? Isn't it neat? Oh, it's so neat. So up here a little ways. Whew, it's so embarrassing how out of breath I am. But there's a big open field that's pretty cool. It has like, well, you'll see. Just be patient. Okay. So tonight's my 7th night here. And it's been a good trip. It's been fun to catch up with people and stuff. Oh yes. Went shopping. Got a lot of clothes. I noticed a lot of them are dark grays and browns and blacks, opposed to my usual reds and pinks and rainbow thrown up on me attire. So, okay, we should be getting there. Here we go, here we go. Almost there, I can see it. Oh my goodness, we're almost there. Wow. Here we are. Oh wow. Pictured it being like crazy green. Obviously it's winter, November, fall-ish-ness. And here we are. Oh. Well, I'll be darned. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. And that tree out there would be like the only one. And it would be all green and stiff. Yeah. I want to keep going, but I should probably head back. I don't know why. I keep hearing movements in the brush. Probably squirrels. Okay. Well, this is pretty cool. And if you were here, I'd take you here because it's awesome. But okay. Talk to you later. Bye.